At MVG's multi-probe system production facility in Villegeste, France, the SG Evo is assembled. This system is designed for high-performance antenna measurement and rapid data acquisition. The process begins with the integration of probes onto the mechanical structure, followed by careful RF cabling management to preserve signal quality. The arch moves in controlled sequences, and the movement of the structure and its probes allows unlimited sampling for highly detailed measurements. Scanning a device under test, capturing data, and generating a detailed antenna radiation pattern in real time. Testing in Wave Studio software verifies RF dynamics and confirms each probe's operation, ensuring the system is ready for accurate measurements.